How to change the name of any document on Microsoft Excel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the name of any document on Excel. So as you can see, now I have those documents right here. I'm gonna choose this one I want to change the name of. Click on it, and now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on those three dots and choose save as right here, the second option. Now change the name here down, click and change the name. For example, let's name it doc 220, and now it's saved automatically to your device. Choose where you want to save it from here. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.